children! Good morning! My name is Teacher Sanchai. Can I hear you say it? Hello, Teacher Sanchai! Very good! So now I have a question for all of you. Are you happy today or sad? Happy or sad? You are happy. That is fantastic. So now we're gonna have some fun. Okay, so I want everybody to stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Okay, we're gonna sing and dance today. So I will show you how. Okay, first look at your classmate. Just like what Teacher Chai did, okay? Okay, are you happy? I am happy too. Everyone's happy. Are you happy? I am happy too. Everyone's happy. Everyone's dance, dance, dance. Wave our hands and turn around. Turn around. Okay, good job, children. Are you happy? Did you enjoy? Okay, good job. That is fantastic. Okay, everyone, you may now sit down. You can sit down. Okay, so now we're gonna discuss, or our topic for today is all about the colors. The colors, okay? So I have here four colors. Did you know what are the colors is this? Okay, let's find out later. Okay, okay. So now we have a color red. A color red. Everybody say red. Red. Say it with me. Red. Good job. This is color red. And also, I have here a color yellow. Everybody say yellow. Yellow. Very good, children. This is color yellow. Say it with me. Yellow. Yellow. Very good. This is color yellow. And third color is the color blue. Everybody say blue. Blue. Very good. This is color blue. What is the color of this? A color blue. Very good. This is color blue. Very good. So we have three colors now. And lastly, we have a color green. Everybody say green. Green. Good job. Everybody say green one more time. Green. Green. Very good. This is color green. So now, Teacher Sanchai like the color yellow. So I have a question before we proceed. What is your favorite color? Oh yes. Your favorite color is what? What? Red, yellow, blue, or green? Oh, that is color red. Good job. How about you? Your favorite color is blue. That is fantastic. How about you? Yes. Your favorite color is color yellow too. Good job. How about you? Yes. Your favorite color is color green. Very good. So now, I know that every one of you has a favorite color. But today, Teacher Sanchai has also a fruit that has a color red, yellow, blue, and green. I will show you later, okay? Okay, show me your thumbs up if you are ready to see it. Show me. Good job. So now, the first fruit that I have is... What is this? What fruit is this? A banana. Very good. Everybody say banana. One more time. Banana. Good job. This is banana. So what is the color of banana? It is what? A color yellow. Good job. So where is the yellow here? This one? This one? Or this one? Oh, this is color yellow. Good job, everyone. Now, the next color is this one. So what fruit is this? What? It is apple. Very good. Everybody say apple. One more time, apple. Okay, what is the color of apple? It is red. Very good. Everybody say red. 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 Good job, everyone. So where is the color red among those four colors? Here? Is it blue? Green? Oh, this is color red. So apple is color red. Okay? Okay, very good, everyone. So now I have here a third fruit. What is this? This is pears. So what is the color of pears? A color. Is it color red? Color yellow? Uh-oh. A color blue? Or green? Good job, everyone. It is color green. Very good. So now, this is color green. Everybody say green. One more time, green. Good job, everyone. And lastly, we have, what is this? What is this? A blueberry. Very good. So what is the color of blueberry? Is it yellow? Is it green? Is it red? Oh, this is color blue. Good job, students. Very good. You are fantastic. Everyone say it with me. Color blue. Everyone say blue. Blue. One more time, blue. Good job, everyone. So now, before we end our discussion today, Teacher Sanchai prepare something, okay? So we're gonna put a color for those pictures, okay? Just like this one, okay? What is the color of blueberry? So we're gonna put a color here, okay? Did you understand, everyone? Oh no, you don't understand. Okay, I repeat the instruction first. I have here a picture of those fruits that we discussed today. And we need to put a correct color of that fruits. Did you understand? Good job, everyone. So now I give you 15 minutes to do that. Everyone, okay, you may now start. Okay, thank you for watching my demonstration. Goodbye.